Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to customize the notifications that appear on the lock screen of an Android 15 phone. I'll guide you through two different methods with different options. Method 1. Go to Settings, tap on Security and Privacy, scroll to the bottom and select More Security and Privacy. Tap on Notifications on Screen Lock. Here you can choose from the following options: show all notifications, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Method 2. Return to Settings, tap on Notifications, tap on Notifications on Screen Lock. Here you'll find these options: show conversations, default and silent, hide silent conversations and notifications, don't show any notifications. By using these two methods, you can fully customize how notifications appear on your lock screen. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video.